This is a three-phase star delta starter panel manufactured by Hush Power Control. This is a 30 horsepower ammeter which shows load of motor, and here are some switches. Here green stands for on and red stands for off. When we press, so the upper indicator get on and off. And here bottom, here is an auto manual rotary. In case of any emergency, we can control this machine by this rotary switch. And in the middle, same function here. And in the bottom, this is 10 HP motor. After these three motors, here is a spare space. In the left hand side, here are some bus bars. Bus bars are used to separate and transfer current. For more details, check our website www.hushpowercontrol.com, which link is in description.